Okay, so today we're going to be changing the upper radiator hose. I think this might be the easiest job I've ever done. Just screwdriver here and here, and that should be it. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so we got the new radiator hose, upper radiator hose put on. As I said, it's very simple. It's just a Phillips screwdriver, both sides. And what you want to do is you want to squeeze it after it's on. Just make sure it's okay. And the one thing I learned is when you take the old one off, antifreeze is going to go everywhere. So have the new one ready to put on there quick so you don't lose that much antifreeze. And then of course check your antifreeze level. You're going to have to add some, and you should be good to go.